it a large Earl Grey black?
Yes.
That's it.
240.
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you. Have a good day. This is where I wished I had a awning. This is one of my plans. On like a semi-rainy day, I can put the awning, we can put chair things there. Me and Kenny can stay there, enjoy nature. Right now for rain, I have to put everything underneath the van or inside the van and stay there if I don't want to be wet. So should I start the campfire right now or wait? It's not supposed to rain too much. Maybe a tiny little bit. Ugh. Hopefully the rain's not gonna last very long. Well, it's not supposed to really rain today. Maybe it's just a cloud. So while we're waiting for the rain to stop, let me talk about the sponsor of this video. Sponsor of this video is Blue Yeti, and I do have the Blue Yeti AC7. So 768 watt of power. Like most of the Blue Yeti battery, you can charge a 3-way with the cigarette lighter while you're driving. Probably what you're gonna use the most. If you have a house, you can charge from a regular plug from the wall, and also from solar. So it comes with your cigarette lighter charger, USB, USB-C, 2 regular plugs that are pure sine inverter, which means that you're not gonna have any problem to plug your laptop. Anything's not gonna damage your laptop. You do have a beautiful display. So this is a question that I get quite often. People wonder what kind of battery, how much power they need to run each of the device. So you guys know my big fridge. I have like a fridge, a freezer. So now let's see if I can use this fridge on this small battery. I'm gonna plug with the cigarette lighter the 12 volt. So I think the fridge is on right now. So it takes around 60 watt of power. And with the 38% that I have left on the battery, I could run for 4.6 hours before I drain and I have to charge the battery again. The fridge going up and down, depending if it's got a temperature, so probably more than 4 hours. So that's pretty impressive. This small little battery can run my fridge. So guys, British got a nice promo for Black Friday, you know, Black Friday sale. It's starting from November 17 to the Black Friday weekend. Thank you so much, really, to sponsor this portion of video. Guys, I'm not sure if we're gonna have a campfire, to be quite honest. The rain doesn't want to stop. So, it's still raining, unfortunately. But I really had in mind to make a pizza out of Dutch oven, and I got like a small bundle of dry wood. Now that's not really dry, I don't want to put that back into my van, obviously, because it's gonna be all wet. So we're just gonna have to live with the rain a little bit. It's gonna raining a lot though. Because let's go outside first and see how I feel. Sure that this fire is gonna stay on very long either. Whew. I don't know why I always decide to rain more when you decide to go outside. It kind of looks like it's gonna be blue sky at some point, and it's just no. Alright, the sausage are pre-cooked. I'm gonna make the dough, put the water, You see that, guys? Okay, the bottom is a little bit on the burning side, which I'm not surprised. I should have put my triangle support that I've been doing lately. I was just too lazy to try to find some wood for that. So for those of you who's like, oh, maybe your cheese on top, it's not like, you know, melted. It's melted, but it's not like brown pure on. It's because vegan cheese, it's hard to, you know, really make it like a real cheese and crispy on and burn on top if you want. Alright. That's not bad at all. This one I put, this one is better. Let's see all I need. I put the heat more on the top at the end. Where is better? That is something that I have to buy. This box of the Dutch oven, it's been so annoying. I need to buy like a little case or something. When I'm out of firewood, that I'm wet and I'm just ready to go inside and warm up with the heater. Dry. Whew. So I do have all of this for tomorrow. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna stay warm for the rest of the evening. Watch a couple things online with Starlink, and I guess I'm gonna see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. I'm gonna leave you with Miss Kitty. Give me a little kiss. Ah, thank you.